Alrighty, welcome to my app. It's called iSurvive. This is a product of three words: vegetables, national parks, and iPhones. It's basically an app that helps you find edible plants in the wilderness. And I'm going to be winging this narration, by the way, so y'all just bear with me. So we're going to go ahead and choose our state. So we'll just click on that little arrow. It brings us our drop-down menu, which most of us are familiar with. It's already selected on Utah, so I'm going to go ahead and click done or tap done. And next, since we've already got summer in the season, we're just going to go ahead and go with that and see what it brings up for the summertime. And here you can see it gives us a list of plants, everything in our region. And I'm going to go ahead and select on elderberry to see what that brings up. So here you can see that we have a warning that came up, and this basically says be careful, make sure you understand that this plant resembles a hazardous plant. You don't want to ingest a hazardous one or you'll die. And that would be bad. So anyways, here's how the layout's going to look for the actual plant, individual plant. Have a description, have where to find it, have the nutritional values of it. The little green check mark up there is just saying you're ready to go. It's kind of affirming in your mind that this plant is ready to be eaten. So we're just going to double tap that arrow up top. That brings us back to the main menu. And we're going to search by name. So if we already possibly know the name, what we want to look for, we'll just type that in. And I'm going to type elder. It brings up elderberry. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it brings us back to where we already were. Notice how it says the West in the top. The West is the only place that you'll find this berry. So the reason that that is up there is because it's to remind the users that's where it's going to be. So we're just going to go ahead and click that or tap the back arrow in the top left corner. That'll bring us back. And the next searching tool we're going to use is matching. This is a tool that is kind of like a process of elimination. We're just going to go ahead and click on berry, and then I'll bring up a list of questions. And it just kind of narrows down what it is and what it isn't. And then we'd click go, but we're going to click the little home in the top right corner. And that'll bring us back to the main page. And the last way to find is to click on alphabet. And what this is just an index for you to go through and just, it's a good way to learn about the different, different plants. And that's all I got to talk about. So hope you like the app.